So today is kind of cool but kind of sad in this weird gloomy workshop. I'm about to start taking the engine out of the PS for the final time. Still, end of an era, start of a new one, eh? Just because I'm never really sure what I'm going to be doing or what's going to happen with the shell or anything on it around the engine. Thought I'd label everything, just make it a bit easier in case reassembly is needed in a hurry.
Style is so current till it's shocking. Been around the end so you can't miss me. No, you're not to guess who the Don is. Have to make a mark in deepest darkest.
You know things are getting serious when you have to use a quarter spanner onto a 6mm Allen key with an 8mm spanner on it to get some leverage for something that you can barely even fit the socket in.
Hold up. Me don't tell them I know long hold up. Me don't tell them I know long talk. Yeah. So we do it, you know. Action over words, you understand? Place and lift up like forklift when the young gargan walking. Nah, miss when me aim for the target. Problems, no, you don't want it. Make money, make moves, left carnage. Without a warning, still out performing. Action, me I deal with charging. Me don't tell them I know long talking.
So, plan for the...
We need some alpha.
The overall plan is that we're going to put the 1JZ that's served as well in the PS the past few years into the GT86. But before we do that, there's a few things we're probably going to change. The turbo setup to be a bit more responsive because you can see the sizing of my turbo basically doesn't spool until Christmas. We're going to take the bottom end off, check the bearings, and in the next clip, probably just going to watch me drop an engine on my face somehow.
Hold up.
Great success, everyone.
Me don't tell them I know long talk. Hold up. Me don't tell them I know long talk. Hold up. Me don't tell them I know long talk. Hold up.
So for now, it's going to be back to sunny Essex. Engine's going under a cover, and hopefully back next week to do more progress on that. Well, John's cracking on with roll gauge. 16. Catch you in a bit.
It's a starship.